welcome back to my channel. So this is a very highly requested video. I have done closet clear outs. I do them every kind of like season-ish, so every 3 months, and I'm about to do one, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna film it for you guys because so many people have asked me like, sorry, I just had some lunch. Do I have like a process of what I do and how I like to do my closet? Basically, it's kind of a bit of a mess right now and there's a lot of stuff I want to get rid of. So I want to kind of share my tips and hints and kind of ideas of like things that I like to do to try and keep my closet as organized as possible. One of those things is that I always go through my closet regularly. Also, I've just filmed a video. I was wearing this t-shirt. Be sure, if you haven't watched that already, it was my like May favorites, my currently obsessed things. I'll be sure to link that somewhere on the screen. So to give you an idea of kind of my closet and my whole setup of my kind of like a room that where I keep all my clothes, I want to kind of give you a quick overview. I'm just gonna put my shirt in. So I keep all of my clothes in our guest bedroom and it kind of doubles as my office. So a quick like overview. So I'm actually just uploading my video right here. Excuse the mess of my desk. I'm actually like working right now. So there's me. Yes, you've seen it. I'm in sweats and a tee. This is what I live in. So this is the kind of room. It doubles as our guest bedroom, my office, and then this is my closet. So I've got lots of space. So I've got like 2 of these, what are they called? Mirrored windows. All that painting, it shouldn't be up there. And this is kind of what I'm working with. So I tend to go, this middle section right now I've got like coats and thicker, warmer things just because I don't reach for them very often. And then up the top I have like hats and bags and things like that. And then on this side to the left, let me slide you, I have jeans. As you can see, this happens all the time. I have jeans, a few skirts. I don't know what this kind of random section is. Then down here I have like luggage. I just opened this bag and made a huge mess. Very embarrassed to show these shoes, but like this is what I've ended up happening. Like this is just a disaster. I need to like work out some sort of better system. And then on this side, here I am again. It's even worse. So I have dresses and things like that here, and then again the disaster shoe situation. I've got like boots and then like sneakers on this side over here, but it doesn't really, it's not organized. And then the worst part is this. Oh my days, I can't believe I'm showing this, but basically all of these shelves, I just have too many things and it's a disaster. And then like underwear and pajamas and things are there and it's just a mess. So I could have tidied this up before we start this video, but do you know what? Keeping it real, guys. And then in this down here, this is actually a package. I need to move. This down here is like hair products. So all my curling irons and things like that. So, like I said, I really need to organise this. It's a mess, it's driving me crazy. The rest of the room is pretty organised, it's just these things, especially this shelving situation. And I've decided that I'm just gonna do a massive clear out. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm probably gonna do a quick like time lapse of getting everything out and kind of going through it. And then I'll kind of show you some key bits as I go along. I've seen quite a lot of like, I don't know, I've seen some wardrobe clear outs, but then I've also seen some like makeup storage clear outs, and I've noticed that people kind of like, there's certain bits you just don't need to sit through. So it's going to be a bit of a long video, but yeah, let's just get started and see where we get on. Yay. So I think I'm going to put you on my desk right there. My video is currently, oh, it's about to upload. And I'm just gonna start with this kind of closet area. I'm gonna put this back down here. Something that get me away. So I'm gonna start with like coats and things like that and just see how I get on. Wish me luck. I'm gonna create, I think, just to give you guys an idea, on the bed here, I'm gonna do like keeping, giving away, and maybe like selling if there's anything that I've got that's a bit more expensive that I want to sell. So I'm gonna give that away. Ooh, these are 2 new denim jackets that I've recently got. This top one is from Pretty Little Thing, and then the one underneath is from Selfridge, and you might have seen this in a video, and it's so cute. I love these. Okay, so just to give you an idea, excuse that bag, that's random, it shouldn't be there. These are the coats I'm going to keep, so I'm going to organise them a bit better in like my winter coat section, and then these are the coats I'm going to give away. This is like a gilet from Topshop. I always have to remember to actually check the pockets. This I just honestly haven't worn, and I just feel like it looks a bit like cheapy and whatever. So that's going. This coat is from Madewell. It's stunning. It's just too big on me. I don't really wear things like this anymore. I used to wear this, I would have worn this in London, it's just not really my style. An old River Island leather jacket that's just, I wear my other one. This is like a long coat thing that I'm never gonna wear. And then this is a Forever 21, like army style jacket. My only nervous thing is I sometimes wear this at festivals. So maybe I'll put that back in the good pile. Okay, so instantly the coats are looking so much more organised. I'm not someone that does colour code because that doesn't really work for me, but I've got my like suede, that's still to be organised, but my like faux suede and leather jackets. Then I've got like denim, khaki, and then back there I've put all my kind of wintry clothes because I'm not going to need them. But yeah, this is already like so much more organised. So now I've got my like, where is it? That's the start of my giving away, selling, whatever pile. So now I am going to move on to the next section, which maybe I'll do like my jeans next. Yeah, let's do the jeans because this bit's kind of a mess. So again, to give you an overview, this was supposed to be just jeans, but I've ended up with like my few skirts and bits there because I don't have many skirts really. I have like a couple of faux leather skirts and then like a denim skirt, so they can actually work there, but these bits, these should not be here. And then we're going to get into tops. Okay, so the denim is organised. So I tend to do 2 pairs of jeans per hanger. I'm not someone who has their denim like folded in a fancy way. I just think this works really well for me. I have more hanging space than I do folding space. So, and then I have all different colours of denim. Again, not much rhyme or reason other than like I logically think about pairs. So like 2 skinny jeans, 2 ripped jeans, 2 flared jeans, blah blah blah. And then here I have denim skirts. I have a third one, but I just was filming it in a video, so it's in the other room. And then my 2 like faux leather skirts. There, so that's all organised. So let's move on to this section. This section is going to be a bit of a disaster. I already know that because it's just a bit random. It's all the randoms. Oh yeah, I'm also getting rid of one denim skirt over there. It's kind of an oldie. I never wear it. So I'd rather go to a different home. Let's move on to this next section. How cool is this? This was a press gift from Teensies, the brand, when I went to press day. I love it. But it doesn't need to be hanging there, that's for sure. You know what? If you want to clear out your closet, I'd highly recommend vlogging it because I feel like I'm like powering through because I'm like, oh, I don't want to make the time lapse too long. Anyway, so I have done this next section, which I'm really happy with now. So how I've kind of organised this, which obviously, you know, everyone's different, everyone has to have what works for them. So I have like 1 pair of overalls that's here short, and then I have like the rest of my like longer skirts here, and then I have co-ords because I have quite a few of them, and I have 2 others in the, oh, there's the tops falling off that one. I have another kind of 2 of these in the other room where I was filming, so I'll add them in there. And then I have shirts, like denim shirts, flannels, and then I have like tops that need to be hung. These are like, you know, anything that's kind of like this fabric that just creases like crazy, so they're all hung. I might pull out some more tops to kind of add in, but this is just like so much more spacious now and organised. It's just, oh, so much better. We'll ignore down there for now, but yeah, much better. So I think I'm gonna probably move on to this side now. The dress situation isn't that bad. I just kind of want to go through it because I don't need all of this. I don't wear half of these dresses and I've had them forever, so like I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna really be strong and cleanse my closet. I said I've got a few bits here. This pile's getting bigger, which is amazing. It's what I want. These bits I'm gonna fold, so those will be put aside to be folded. But let's do this section and let's see how we get on. So I've decided to do long rompers, long dresses, short no, jumpsuits, dresses, rompers or play suits, and then short dresses. And they're not in like seasons because honestly the weather here, I can wear these all year. And then in this section, I've just organised my shoes. This is a top tip that I have for anyone that's organising their shoe cupboard. This might look weird, but put your feet into each other. So like basically a forwards and a backwards. And basically it just gives you that bit extra room in your closet. And I'm deciding to give these guys away so far on this side of the heels and the trainers. My heels are kind of in the middle because I wear my heels less. And then I'm about to do this side, which doesn't look too bad actually, but everything kind of connects in the middle and there's lots of shoes. Oh, there's a dress that fell down. But yeah, I'm gonna do this side now. And we're getting there. I feel pretty good about this. It's only taken me like an hour or so, but here we go. Okay, so we're now organised. We have shoes organised very nicely. This is the giveaway shoes, and then this is all organised, and that is all organised. Now I have to tackle this horrifying section. Oh my god, it makes me feel sick. Maybe I'll work bottom to top, or maybe I'll just pull it all out and go that way. Oh, I don't know. How do you guys sort your closet out? I do this all the time and I still feel like I've never got the right method. This has just got to be a state. Anyway, I'm gonna do it. Let's do this. Oh my god, so much better. So it may not look more organised, but I've gotten rid of quite a few things over here. This pile's gotten huge, and then these bits are like things that need to be washed or hung or whatever. And then I've really organised it into like workout clothes I use every day, sweats, t-shirts, shorts, like things that are just way much, this is so much more accessible. This is all gonna be, this is all pajamas and underwear that's just got in a complete mess, so I'm going to quickly go through that and I feel like I'm done, which is like amazing. What time is it? I started this at like 2 and it's now like 3:30, so not bad at all. I just pushed my video live. Whoop, go check that out. I'll pop that up on the screen if you haven't seen it already. It is a favourites video, and yeah, I'm gonna finish this off and then I'll give you a final reveal, and then maybe I'll kind of break down my top tips on like what my key things are for organising your closet. I'll be back with you. Okay, so I just threw my box of like hair things back in there. I also need to probably find a better way to organise that, but once our bathroom's done, I think I can store them all in there. Once my dressing room's like built properly, this is all very temporary, but alright, for me, I still have this pile. And this is all giving away that I need to sort through, but so much better. That is done. Glorious. So is this. So much better. And so is this. I feel accomplished. So I thought quickly to end this video, I'd give you guys a couple of like my top tips on how to like sort through your closet. My top tip, to be honest, is do it regularly and it won't feel like such a chore. Honestly, I've done this in like under 2 hours and I feel really like happy with at least the fact that it's organised and a bit kind of easier to access stuff. I've got rid of probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs of shoes, which is great. Feel like then I can like buy some sandals and I don't feel like bad about it. And then I've got rid of all of these clothes that are going to go to a better home, either to like a charity shop, or I'm going to go through it because there might be some designer bits in there that I might sell, but we'll see. And yeah, that's my top tip. Go through it regularly. Really think, have I worn this in the last like 6 months? I also think like obviously with coats and things you kind of have to think, oh, will I wear this next season? And I tend to hold on to those bits a bit longer, and that's fine. And what else? Yeah, tips on storage. Really think about layering your things. So like I put like a couple of denim jackets on one hanger, or like a couple of pairs of jeans on one hanger if you're like trapped for space. And I really like those cubes, even though they're not ideal, they are great because they're cheap from Target. It can slot into any closet, and you know, I also have like this thing from IKEA that's got good storage, and they have those boxes that you can pull in and out that just kind of help you stay a bit organized. Rolling your clothes can really be really helpful. I haven't done that in my closet because it doesn't work for me, but just kind of look at what you've got and work out what you can like build in. And honestly, just doing it regularly. My closet is a mess all the time and I just clean it all the time. So you don't have to be perfect and have it Instagrammable every day, but it's great to kind of like look in there and now I know, oh, if I want that romper, I know where all my rompers are, or like I want t-shirts, I know all my t-shirts, all my workout clothes. Then I'm like stressed in the morning, like trying to find stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I think this is probably a really long video. Thank you so much for watching if you're still here at the end. Let me know if you like this style of video and if you want me to do more of this kind of like closet clear out series. Maybe I could do, I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what other videos you'd like to see anyway around this kind of subject. And I'm gonna now go and deal with this pile, work out where it's all gonna go. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.